Hi, I'm Shruti Chalani from Pituri Art. Right now we are here in Mumbai Art Fair. I think it's one of the fab shows happening here in Mumbai. So I've participated this for first time. I've participated this in Indian Art Festival as an Indian Art Festival in Delhi, but this is a totally different experience. So I'm really liking it, and very excited and looking forward for lot more people coming in and appreciating my work. So I would just take you to my stall number one. It's one and two. So start with the Ganesha painting. It's more of textured art which I've tried long back. Come, so I'll show you my work. Um, these are all acrylic on cotton canvas, figurative work which I've done. And if you come here, these are all nature, depicting nature. So this is what Lush Mirage, more of nature kind of, the trees and mountains and the water and the sky. So my half of my few paintings are mostly on nature. And if you see this earthy hue, it depicts volcano, and the sun is settling down, and that's how I paint, and I just get that nature. I get the inspiration from nature, and I just work on my canvas. This kind of paintings which I do, it's like a proper European technique, painting on layers. Yeah, so this is like a proper study for me. You get to learn a lot working on it, and it's painted on linen canvas. And this is the seascape. It took me like 4 months to work on it. And yeah, so again, it's like oil painting, generally you have to work on layers and layers and layers to achieve the proper desire solidity of painting. Yeah, this is that. This is my Ram Lalla painting which I've made. It's oil on linen canvas, and if you have a closer look of this painting, you can see the how the Arun Yogiraj sculpture has been made. I have depicted that in my painting. And if you have a closer look, you can see each, you can see all kind of das avtaram of Ram Lalla, starting from Hanuman, then Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Kalki, Buddha, Krishna, Ram, Parshumar, and Hanuman, and Jatayu. So, all the Dasavtaram plus, the detailings have been done here.
Honestly, when I first entered, it was this whole the whole art. This was the place that like was the most eye catching for me at least, and I looked at all of the paintings. It made me feel. It gave me a very ethereal vibe. I loved the lighting and all the elements of the painting. Yeah, it felt like it was beautiful for me. I loved all her paintings, and I really definitely following her from now on. She might be one of my favorite artists now.
Shruti Chalani, she is amazing and super talented with her paintings. She's got a lot of depth and amazing stroke skills that she's put up in her paintings. They say sky is the limit, but her imaginations do not have any limit.
As you enter this exhibition, Shruti's is the first stall that you get to see. And as you walk in, that's the first view you have of the entire exhibition. And this entire wall mesmerizes. I mean, look at that. It feels like you're looking at a painting by one of the masters from the Renaissance or something. It's so beautifully blended, and the visualization of it is beyond belief. So I've just purchased one from Shruti, who's been very kind to me. And I do hope that she sells everything before she leaves for Chennai.
My name is V.N. Kulkarni. I'm in Mumbai, and invariably we don't miss this art fair, which is being organized in Nehru Center periodically. Last time also, about 1 month back, it was organized, and we did come for that also. But this particular one by Shruti is an excellent one, I can say. Last time when I came, this was not there, but this time I really enjoyed. I was just talking to Shruti how long it takes for her to put a painting. She says that 4 months. So that is how, the effect comes only when you toil hard. So she has done a wonderful job, and I really like, and I wish her all the good luck in the days to come. And what is more important is that the initiative taken by you to put these things on the YouTube, many people who are outside Mumbai can also view on YouTube and appreciate this art. So thank you very much, and good luck to you, ma'am.